Hey, what's going on? I bet you are excited, hopefully excited, to open the email and go ahead and click to this video because I'm going to give you a full update on what's been going on just yesterday. Yesterday you saw me shoot a video because we started this new campaign on Tuesday. We did really well that Tuesday. Wednesday was a little bit slower. Thursday was yesterday's video and you guys saw that it showed a big fat 0. So now we're going to show you the updated results on what happened yesterday as well as what's going on today. You can see that I'm right here on Google though. And I just simply typed in what time is it. It's 7:15 a.m. here in Utah. And I'm going to go ahead and log into the Clickbank account and we'll go ahead and see what we did yesterday. So no shenanigans here as always. I'm going to go ahead and click on refresh and we're going to go ahead and log in here. And boom, check it out. Let me go ahead and see if I can zoom in here. So you can see once again, Tuesday, we started this brand new campaign, this brand new method, this brand new process, $372.52. Wednesday, $25.17. Thursday, which was yesterday, when I showed you the last video, there was a big fat 0. Now it's $448.49 that we did yesterday. I mean, this new process is incredible. I'm excited to have you jump on board. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the link below. Get started so you can start generating the results that you're seeing here. Friday already this morning, $23.20. It's now 7:16, so a couple minutes since I started this video, and we've already got $23.20. Let's see if we can beat that $448.49. So if you want to get access to this method before everybody else does, because this is something that's completely new, this system is completely brand new. So all you need to do to get access to this is click the link below. There's also going to be another link that's going to take you to the previous video that I shot so you guys can see all the timed markers of the different updates that I have so you guys can see that this is legitimate. There's no shenanigans. After all, the internet, someone can say one thing and show you a bunch of screenshots and it's not legitimate. Well, I want to show you legitimacy through timestamps and through, just me simply logging out and logging back in to my account so you can see this is real. So if you want to jump on board, great. All you need to do is, of course, click that link below and we'll see you in the next update video. Take care.